What up, old souls? It's the fucking weekend. Grab a beer. Let's do some Del Sol shit. So excited for what I got going on today. It's gonna be awesome. Something little, but it's fun. We're gonna be making my ashtray and cover area into a non-smoker personal box. So let's do that. This one right here, this is what we're going to be working on. If you flip it up, it says this: personal box for non-smoker Honda. That's me. I don't smoke. So the cool thing about these is they're supposed to look a lot cooler than what they look like now, because you're meant to like smoke a cig and boop 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 right there, but I don't do that. So we can make this look a whole lot fancier. So let's do that. Okay. All right, so this little guy right here, I got on eBay, and it came in OEM Honda packaging, but I don't really know how genuine it is. There's a lot of really good fakes out there, but supposedly it's real, but who fucking knows, guys? And I thought this was a good spot for it right here. I didn't want to throw it on here or like down here, so because I want to keep this OEM look, but I thought it's not bad there. Like, I also could have put it inside here, but we're gonna do something with the inside here. So like I said, I don't smoke, so which is a good segue to Shades Wade. You know, that guy smokes a lot. I am wearing his shirt today. Rega Fapster, pretty dope shirt. I like it a lot. If you want one, hit up Shades Wade. Be more than happy to hook you up with one of these from his merch shop. So that's pretty dope. Okay, back to this. Yeah. So let's see what's next. Yes. Okay. So my buddy Christian was like, "Oh shit, you should make one of those cool, you know, like felt inside of the box here." And I was like, "Felt inside? What are you talking about?" And then he proceeded to lecture me on the non-smoker actual Honda boxes. This is all lined with some kind of other material. So I was like, "Oh, okay, well, I'll go to Hobby Lobby, aka Jesus's craft store, and I'll go look for some felt and see if I can find some." And that's where I went to. Okay, so I went to Hobby Lobby, and I was looking around the fabric section with all the old ladies. Hell of a time there, boys. And I went and I couldn't find like what I was looking for. So I asked the lady, I was like, "Where is the felt at?" And she showed me, and I just walked right by it. But that wasn't what I was looking for. It was like super heavy duty, and like, I don't know. It was like really like there was a lot of like layers to it. So I was like, "No, this isn't what I fucking want." So I kept like walking around Hobby Lobby, and I finally found some cool stuff. Let me show you guys. So I found this like weird combination stuff that is like a mix between the actual felt and like velvet and like cashmere type polyester or something, and it's really thin. Like, I don't know exactly what it is, and I just happened to find a sort of a color that matched the car, and I was like, "Oh shit, green." So I bought a whole bunch of it because I don't know, you know, how I'm gonna go at the very first one, but it's pretty dope, and it feels a lot like what I think those personal boxes feel like, because it has some of this, like you can move it back and forth to it. So I think this is gonna work pretty good. So I have to get this stuff into that tiny little box over there and hopefully make it look good. Guys, I don't work with fabric. Like, this is, I don't know. One time I did that OldSols fabric right there, and like it came out okay, but like I could have done better. So to do it in this sort of a thing, I don't know. It's gonna be tough, but I think I can do it. I think I can do it. Let's get started though. Okay, so like obviously I bought way too much, but like I bought way too much because I don't know what I'm doing. So you guys are along for the ride here with me. But all of this was a half a yard, and it was still under $10. I think I walked out of Hobby Lobby at like $8.99 for all this fabric. And I think it's gonna go pretty dope. So what I'm gonna do is just get a few measurements, I think. And I'm not sure if I want to like cut a piece out for the whole thing and try to like fold over into the corners of each of these and try to get it to look nice, or if it's just gonna be better to cut out individual pieces for each side. Like maybe I'll try that first and see how it looks, because that'll be the easiest, is to just cut a piece out from here to here, this way down to there, and then, I don't know, go from there. This inside part, I don't want to cover up this light here, so that'll be kind of tricky to cut around, but I don't think it'll be too bad. And then we'll want to do like here on the top and right here, but excluding where it pivots in and out like that. So not these parts, but just this part. So let's do that. So like before I laid this piece in there that I just cut, like I'm not upset with there's an edge like right in the corner, and then there's another edge like right in the corner right there. Like I'm not really upset about that, and it's way easier than maybe having to do it the other way. I don't know, but we're gonna lay it in there. We can always rip it out if we really hate it, but okay. Well, it was difficult. I don't know what you guys think, but I haven't done this yet. So I'm going to continue to work to wrap all that stuff, but you can hide edges. It's actually quite surprising. Like there's an edge right there, but like once it's sitting like in the center console, like I don't know how you'll be able to see that. Like, it's not fucking, like, perfect, but, like, I don't know. I'm just messing around here. It's interesting. Like, I'm sure it'd be better to cut this in one piece and somehow, like, mold it, you know, like, into all the nooks and crannies, but, I mean, it's not bad. Okie dokie here. I finished the project. Looks all right. Maybe version 1. Luckily, like, you can redo this, so, like,
Dad,
I don't know. What, Owen?
we don't have any
We don't have any what?
bowls.
No, we got bowls.
Oh, is it in the...
It's where the toaster's at.
I'll check everywhere there for the camera.
Okay, so, here it is. Like, I got the desired effect. You know, it is this, like, velvet suede kind of thing going on here. And, like, yeah, now you can't put cigarettes in it. Like, it is. That's what it is. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it, guys. So, yeah. It might have to, like, grow on me a little bit. So I do like it, however, when the lights are on. You know what I mean? Like, look. That looks pretty fancy. All right, everybody. Well, I think that was a success. I went overkill on the fabric, I think. Like, I've got way too much now. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I've got it. So that's okay. I might retry doing a better job at one whole piece rather than cutting individual ones like I did, but I don't know. I like how the results turned out. Yeah, like, I legitimately like it. I do think it could be nicer and it could be smoother around the edges, but I don't know. It's gonna be kind of hard to see here, but I like it. Like, it turned out good. It looks like one of those real fancy ones that are kind of rare. So that is what it is. But it was a pretty fun Saturday afternoon project. I don't know, maybe took 3 or 4 hours. And I had a couple beers and just hung out outside. So it wasn't too bad. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below, like, if you have used anything else to make those, or if you have any other ideas for me or whatnot. I'd love to know, because I could always try this again. I don't think it's that hard. So pretty fun. Also coming up in the next vlog, I'm going to be going over our Old Souls Southeast meet for 2021 at the Back of the Dragon in Virginia, coming up next month, right around this time. So look out for that. And that's going to be dope. I hope to see everybody there. I'm going to be there. Kent's going to be there. Chris is going to be there. A whole bunch of other people are going to be there. I think we have a vendor lined up, which is super exciting. Very first one for an Old Souls meet. So that's dope. But all that'll be in the next video. So until next time, guys and gals, peace.